guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina here. Today's video is gonna be a vlog and small unboxing. I will take you around to Van Cleef store. I live in Dallas and they opened this beautiful Van Cleef store, and I will take inside there and share with you that what I picked. I love fine jewelry. As you guys see that I am wearing all my jewelry. I do wear all my jewelry every day, but not when I stay home. When I go out, I wear my bracelets, my ring, and my necklace. I do wear every day. I don't take this off, but rest of the things I do take it off when I stay home. But I do love jewelries, and you guys can see that I love gold jewelry and I love fine jewelries, and I think it's a good investment piece also. I do not like to buy anything that is fashion jewelry because I feel like it's a waste of money. I used to buy a lot of fashion jewelry when I was in college, but now I try to save money and spend money on fine jewelry. So I love Van Cleef and I love their Alhambra collections. They have a beautiful collections, and I just want to add one small piece into my collection. So let's go and look around and see what I got, and I'll do a little unboxing. Item from Van Cleef, and it's inside the box. And as you know guys, that it comes with all this there's a receipt here and travel pouch. It has a jewelry cleaning cloth, and I have not used this cloth. I actually need to be cleaning my jewelry. And here comes all this, like, you know, authenticity card and their catalog right here. So let's get into the unboxing. So here is a box, and let's open this. There you go. So you guys ready? What I picked? I picked Alhambra carnelian pendant necklace. Look at this. How beautiful is this, and how cute is this? This is my first sweet Alhambra necklace. I do have two vintage Alhambra necklace. These both are in gold. The one in sweet Alhambra carnelian is in rose gold. They did not come in gold, so I picked this one because I wanted to layer. Did you see that? Actually I'm layering this too. These both are vintage. I think it's too big to layer each other, so I want something a little small so I can put right over here, and that's why I picked this one. I was kind of, you know, debating which one should I buy. Should I buy the carnelian or mother of pearl? And I like the mother of pearl, the one little tiny butterfly. It's really cute. This time I decided to go sweet Alhambra carnelian necklace. So this is really beautiful and perfect for layering into my necklace. So let me take this out. This is how it looks. Very pretty. Can you see the color? I love the color red, and I think the one that what I have, the gold and the onyx, I think it goes perfectly because red is like a pop-up color, and it goes perfect to my vintage Alhambra necklace. This is in rose gold. It does not make that much difference, and I really like the size. I was looking for some tiny one. So I want to have that, the mother of pearl and the butterfly also, but maybe next time. And they do have Alhambra in a heart shape also in carnelian. That one was really cute also, but I do like this vintage style. So here is my necklace, and I will show you how it looks when I layer. Here is a necklace, and I told you that this is in rose gold. It has two loop here, round circle, that you can either put it this side or this one. I want something to stick right here, so let's see, let me try and show you how does it look. So this is how it looks. This is what exactly I was looking for. I think this one goes perfect with my onyx also. I will show you in a little bit. This is what exactly I was looking for, and I love it. Look at this, how pretty is this? And one thing is that I was watching in other YouTube, and people were saying that this one, this sweet Alhambra, this move, you see that this move, right? This pendant move, but the one with vintage, it does not move. So did you see that? I don't know, like, you know, people were saying that it's kind of annoying because it's keep moving, but I don't know, it's the first time I'm wearing. I will let you know that how I feel about this kind of moving, or I like it or I don't like it. I love it. I like the little heart one also, and also I will insert the clip that how tiny it looks compared to the vintage. And I do not want anything bigger. I just want something tiny, and this one is perfect. And sometimes I can just wear only this also. And red is always a pop-up color, and I love red color, and it just looks so beautiful. Let me show you with my onyx. You can wear this by itself. You don't have to layer, like even like, you know, you can wear it by itself. It looks so cute and dainty and beautiful. I love the red carnelian. Can wear by itself too. You don't have to layer. But I will show you how with my onyx. And this is how it looks with onyx. What do you guys think? Which one do you like? This you like with this one, or you like with my other necklace? I think this carnelian goes with everything. It's just a beautiful small dainty jewelry. And if you guys are buying for the first time, then I would definitely recommend you to go to the vintage one. And then only if you have, like, you know, already 2 or 3 necklaces, then you can add the sweet Alhambra. But I do like the vintage size. Vintage size is not big either. It's just a very beautiful jewelry, and I love Van Cleef. Right now I'm all about Van Cleef. You guys see that I just got some pearly bracelets, and I actually, guys, you have not watched that video that I unboxed my pearly collection, then I will insert the video there. You can go and watch that one. I am loving everything from Van Cleef. If you guys like this kind of video, unboxing fine jewelry, any kind of lifestyle, then please consider subscribing to my channel, and also go visit my Instagram account, Sabina K Stone. I would love for you guys to have here in my YouTube channel and also in my Instagram account. That's all for today's video. You guys stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.